mi chulas, mis guapas, mi queens. Welcome to Jenny's MUPlover. Woo-hoo. So I'm sorry, I am using my camera. My phone camera. Heading to the gym right now. I can use my camera, but I gotta be smart. If I take it to the gym, somebody's gonna steal it. So that's why I'm not taking my camera. If my husband comes with me, I will take my camera, because then nobody want to steal it from him. But I know if I take the camera, people are gonna be like, "Oh, girl, you got a camera? Woo, let me take that." But I'm heading to the gym right. Sorry, my finger keeps getting in the way, man. So it's not as good quality as, but it's okay. You guys want to see workout videos as well. So for right now, I'm going to do it on my phone. If hopefully that's okay. I mean, it's still gonna be the same thing. Just my night camera or whatever, it's just kind of blurry. It's like I need a new channel or something. But my hand's hurting. But yeah, I'm just heading to the gym. Today is shoulder, and I'm gonna do shoulder, cardio, and abs. I try to add abs and cardio to my routine. To my routine every day. But there's so many people at Planet Fitness, and sometimes they're not even doing anything. Sometimes they're just walking, and I'm like, dude, can you get out of there, because I need it, or people actually don't want to work out, not just look at girls. But yeah, so hopefully I'm hoping that I can do all that and get you guys, because I know you guys want to see my abs and my cardio and all my workouts. But it's more like girls want to see more my more cardio and abs. Sorry, that red light is like on my face, like, girl. And I try not to use no makeup to go to the gym, because I kind of like clean my face with with a rag or whatever, because I sweat a lot and stuff. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna do a couple workout videos, and I'll see you guys. Hey my queens, I am back. I am done with my workout. It was a good one. Yes, it was. Hopefully you guys like it. And I appreciate all the love and support that I got on the last video. I know it was nothing, but moving forward, if you guys want to see more of my life, you know, let me know, because I know people will be like, no girl, we just want to see makeup, workouts, food, but not your life. But let me know if you guys want to see more and more about my life. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna try to keep posting more videos constantly, if that's how you say it. Yeah, maybe that's how you say it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to turn on the little silver bell up there so you guys can get notified. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Don't forget to comment. I know I already said that, but don't forget to comment so then you guys can get a shout out. Okay, but thank you girls. God bless you, and I love you. Bye. Hey my queens, if y'all can see in the back, I'm almost done with the second video. Woo woo. But real quick, just want to shout out Pinky Perez. You know, thank you for your support, baby girl, and on to the next video. Hopefully you guys like this one. Love you girls, and don't forget to comment so then you guys can get a shout out. Love you girls. Bye.